Yo, welcome back, my people. Tuesday, another fucking food review. We're about to go to Birdcode, Park Road, I think. Not sure, but anyway, you can just Google it. I think it's in West Hartford. Then after that, I gotta go to Best Buy. So check out my little story, right? So I'm editing the video from Doogie's, right? I'm editing the video, bro. So I'm like, yo, I want to make the audio sound better. So I go and I'm like, fuck it, let me go to Best Buy and enter microphones for GoPro. Fucking microphone popped up, $29.99. All right, cool. So I go to Best Buy, I cop this shit, boom, come home, plug the motherfucker up. The damn GoPro doesn't recognize it. I'm like, what the hell am I doing wrong? It says something in the settings, like, what the hell am I doing wrong? Bro. Couldn't find out. The only way I could use that microphone, that's if I get a media mod. That shit costs $79.99, bro. So I'm about to go hit Best Buy to get my little $42, because you know it's $29.99 plus tax plus the $10 warranty, and then go back up in that motherfucker on Friday once I get paid. So that, you know what I mean, be doing these videos, I don't be having, I'm broke. You know what I'm saying? I go to work every goddamn day, I'm nigga broke. So you feel me? But yeah, that's my little story, man. So for now, we're gonna have to do with this little ass microphone. But on the way to Birdcode, about to catch the bus out there. Hit that like button, subscribe, jump cut. Welcome back, people. So yo, we made it. Birdcode. Boom. Birdcode. Our motherfucking Sue, man. You know what I'm saying? They don't all know whatever. Birdcode. Boom. I'm going. I don't do. Hold on, we've been. Hold on. No. Hell no, nah. My stomach ain't about to do that, bro. Last time I ate something like real spicy, forget about it. Nah. I ain't Gucci with that. Yeah, when we see you when we get the order, bro. Jump out. Y'all don't like pickles. I forgot to tell the lady not to put the pickles on it, but whatever, we just gonna move it on. Yo, these fries, dog, I've been munching on these. Oh my god. You saw some. You saw. What's called? Gotcha. Yo, these boot things are beautiful. Damn, these fries are so good, bro. Look at this piece of chicken, bro. Steve. Just waiting for my brother to get his. You had to go straight to the bathroom when we got to motherfucking Birdcode, so there was a little bit of delay. I was in there waiting, but I'm hungry. Cheers, people. The sauce called comeback sauce. which is this joint right here. I don't really fuck with sauces like that. Okay, I'll throw A and shit to try for y'all, cause I ain't fucking with it. I like what I like, and it's not that sauce. Damn, this shit is fried up the right way. Oh man, what the hell? This is so good, bro. Could have done the review in there, just too many people in there, cause you know what I'm saying, it's a small space too, so man, it's not that cold out here, bro, but remember, damn, you could tell it's just freshly made, bro, like, damn, these fries, bro, look, got a little tan, baby, got a little color to them, oh, oh, look, man, with some powder, no residue. This is lovely, cuz. Oh. Nah. Come on, you take a bite of that motherfucking chicken,
for a minute, I swear to God, I thought I put my shit to go.
Oh.
I was like, yo, did you just put my shit on the shelf? And I'm over here wearing like a dickhead. Yo, wait, how come this shit got colorized on?
I told you. That's the fake fries.
Ah, fuck it, I'll take the fries, fuck it. Yo.
Taste that motherfucker right there.
Hold up. Sorry, y'all.
I don't do pickles, though.
I don't do pickles.
I know the one that must be like, what the hell?
Yo. Birdcode.
Oh my God.
I don't know what Birdcode means. All I can say is fuck. You need to learn. You need to learn the Birdcode language.
This is crazy. 8-7.
You get a what?
8-7.
7. Yo, I do have to go to foul play. A lot of people keep saying that, and saying foul play is almost like exactly like
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Have you eaten them before?
Yes.
Yo. You do a 7-0. It'd be nice if it would have had the lettuce and tomatoes on it. You know what I mean? But, yo, this shit's fucking fire. Holy shit. Yo. I want fucking fire right now. Oh, man. Yo.
Well, at the review, click on that button. Subscribe. Alright, good shit.
Yo.
Let them know.
Damn, if I would have taken that shit, that should have been both. So is that what, high C spot? What?
Yeah. Yeah, that's spicy. Oh my God. But I'm gonna tell you this myself, no lie. Disagree to agree with me. But I think Five Guys Cajun fries better than these. Better than these. They're good, but I don't know.
And we're talking brand type, people. Brand type. So, I don't know.
Oh, Lord, this shit right.
This shit got a hit to it, dog. Holy shit. I ain't gonna lie, people. All I ordered was a fucking classic chicken sandwich. This motherfucker got my tongue on fire. Shit.
Jump up. Until next time, stay tuned and carry on, everybody.